What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We out here in LA, man, floating through traffic right now, on my way to Antonio's, man, to pick up the bags for the Harley, man. The Harley bags is done getting painted, so let's hope them things match up. The sun is kind of going down, so I'm trying to hurry up and get there so we can at least see if it matches before the sun goes down, because I know once it's dark, I'm gonna be like, oh yeah, that matched, but then when the sun come up, it might not match. So let's go see what's up with the bags. At least we can get them. I don't know if we may have time to put them together today or not, but if we do, we'll definitely slide and glide a little bit, man. So without further ado, man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Ride with your boy for today, man. Let's get it going, dog. Had to come get this little rotary tool kit so I can cut into the bag, so I can be able to mount that little speaker and stuff, because the this CVO bag doesn't have it for some odd reason. Got us right. Yeah, y'all, I think Antonio did a real good job on these, man. Antonio.
Can the upper right?
Man, look good, man. Yep. Look good. Let's see it in the sun. Ooh. Yeah, I can't wait. I'm about to go see if that match right now. It look good, man. Did a real good job. Real good.
It's clean.
Yeah, it looks good. Alrighty, so we got our candy apple red bags. I honestly don't think it's gonna match, because the bike is more so like an orangish type of color, but then again, like, shoot, it's already done, so it's gonna have to work. So let's hope it match up at least a little bit. Alrighty, guys, we have all our parts. We have our crash bar, we got our speaker for the right bag, we got our leg warmer in here, we got our speaker grill, we got another speaker for the left bag. Here's our saddlebags. Antonio did a really good job. It looks really wet. You guys can just see how it's looking. Does look a tad bit darker, but all in all, it looks pretty fair, man. We're going to cut this bag to look like this bag right here, to look like so, because this one doesn't have that. So let's hook that up. We got our little saw or drill or whatever, so we'll hook this thing up, cut it out, and then start putting these bags together. All right, so we got the hole. It's not as good as this one, but we got it cut. We can sand it down a little bit, but we do have it cut, so we'll just sand down the little edges real quick, mount these bags up, and hopefully we can get some tunes going here, man. All right, so I can't seem to get this latch on there. Like, these four little screws right here are just like the hardest to get in with the Allen key set I got, at least. But I got the speaker hooked up, and this one's ready to go. I'm about to hook that one up and try to speed up this process, man, and try to do the stuff I know how to do first. Guys, I cannot make this crap up, dog. No, this ain't no design. The whole damn bag fucking fell off. Cracked everything. Literally just got this shit painted. Fucked it all up. I think I did both sides. No, I didn't drop this side, but this side is fucking whooped. Super whooped. And then on top of that, the homie dropped his phone. He was telling, like, this bag had popped open on the freeway. Not even popped open, but literally went just like this on the freeway. It detached from the little hooks inside, and it was riding like that on the freeway. Like, yo, bro. As soon as he said that, his phone flew out his hand, and then a car ran it over. So fucked up night, man. Shit is bullshit. Nothing's working out how we want it. But I mean, on the brighter side, I guess the colors match up. What's up, guys? Next day here, man. We ended up at LA Harley, dog. We had to come bring the bike and get the fluids changed, like all the 3 fluids in a Harley, get them changed out, because we might ride to Vegas. I don't know. I gotta come back down for my girl's birthday tomorrow, so I might just ride the bike up there. I don't know how I'm feeling, but yeah, if everything works out, we'll ride that up there and get everything handled. So last night we dropped the bags, man. The bags are scratched up. It's totally whipped, so we gotta take them back to Antonio, get them painted up again. So let's see what happens. Alrighty, I had to just lift back to my car so we can get some other stuff done while the bike is getting finished. So we just left Harbor Freight. We got some like a star bit, like screwdriver set. This was our problem yesterday when we was trying to mount the bags up. We had like a little tiny Allen key, hoping it was just gonna stick, but we didn't have no pressure on it. So we got that, and then another one if that one don't work. So whichever one doesn't work, we'll just take it back. Man, I dropped it. Fucking look at the bottom. I had put it on the motorcycle. I didn't tighten it down, and it fucking fell off. Yep. You able to fix that? Or at least make it look better? Alrighty guys, the bike is done. We just pulled up at Harley. Let's go pay for this thing and hop back on the road now, shall we? What's up guys, we are back here next day, man. I dropped the bags off in Antonio. You know, they were scratched up and everything, so just dropped them off in Antonio. I went to Harley, got the oil change and all the fluids and stuff like that changed yesterday. I ended up going to Vegas last night. I had to go get my seat, and then tomorrow's my girl's birthday and we're celebrating it in like Malibu, so come and join us, man. We're on my way back to the bike right now to put the seat on, and then probably go meet her for like some lunch or something. So we'll see what we can do. In the meantime, I appreciate you guys tuning in and being supportive, man. We reached 20K during the making of this video, man, so I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure you click the link below. Everything's regular, as new merch is bound to drop any day now, so I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. Good looking out. Alrighty guys, we got our Corbin seat in the mail, man. Let's unsaran wrap this thing and get it put on that bad boy and pop that out today, man. I can't wait. Man, my other bag was like totally ruined, but you know, it is what it is. Alrighty guys, y'all see the Corbin seat with the front backrest and the rear backrest, man. So let's try to mount this thing up. To undo these little screws right here. It's so hot out here, y'all don't even understand. Like, I can't even hold the phone and record. I might as well just get this done and show y'all. So I mean, it's only 2 little screws that we pop off right here. Seat comes right off. Just like that, we got that bad boy on, looking real good. It's actually mighty comfortable, so I can't wait to hop on this thing, man. We got to go to the dealer and get the right bolt for this, because this thing is not like super tight as I need it to be. So we'll try to get that taken care of, or just try to find the bolt. One of the homies got one. We'll see real quick. Alrighty guys, here is the bike with the seat on that joint. Thing is way more comfortable now. It really make me want my bars on this thing. So we got it all looking good. I can't wait to get the bags on here. Hopefully Antonio is finished either tomorrow or the next day. But we just rode to Malibu, guys, and got a pretty sick view, man. The bike is right out front, so let's go check out our stay while we're here. Let's check it out. Whoa. Whoa, yes, that's a view. I'm digging that. Right here on the rocks, Malibu. Just enjoying it, man. Just enjoying it. Looks really neat. Got a nice little interior. You know, y'all don't really care about this, but the outside looks freaking dope. I'm loving it, man. So, hey, man, let's try to get some balloons and stuff in here, get some happy birthdays in here, and we'll be good to go. Now that we checked out the inside, we can go downstairs really quick and see what they got down here. Yeah, this thing is pretty shaded. It's pretty nice. They got a whole little duck off spot. Man, I sure wouldn't mind having a beach house. So many little cuts and stuff. This is dope. I'm digging it. Right here on the water. Damn, I feel like I'm in a movie. That's crazy. I'm in a movie, y'all. That's what it feel like. This is out here. Ooh, I'm about to be right up under here tonight. Big Chief. Yeah, that look hard. I can dig this. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Shout out to 20K subscribers, y'all, man. We out here on the beach celebrating it all, man. I appreciate you guys, every last one of you guys tuning in and supporting the channel, man. We had to go and live it up for you guys one time. All the supporters, man, I appreciate you guys. You guys love what I'm doing, and I love it. That's the even better part, so thank you guys. Alrighty, guys, we are cruising through Hollywood right now on our way back to the beach spot, but we are a car full of balloons, man. She better like this, because I didn't fit like 12 balloons, 13, like 14 balloons in this little coupe, man. So she better enjoy, dog. Look at that, cruising on their little scooters out here, though. That's crazy. We used to stay right there back in the day. Alrighty, guys, next morning here, and it is looking lovely out here, man. Just take a look at this view. You can't get no better than that. Early morning, it's about 6 a.m. I'm digging this, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, it's about 6:30 in the morning, guys. We are out here on the water, man. I appreciate every one of you guys. 20,000 subscribers, man. We wouldn't have been able to get that far without either one of you. You in particular watching this right now. So I thank you personally. Thank you so much for supporting and you know, just coming back and tuning in with the channel, man. Today we got a pretty fun day ahead of us. I gotta go get my hair cut and stuff this morning, but I'm gonna pull a bike out and stuff later on. Probably go get a GoPro right now so we can get some of that nice footage. So we'll see how I go. There go my mama Licious. My mama Licious right there. We about to get in this water, man. So I'll tune in, see y'all in a second. Alrighty, guys. Now that we are dressed, ready to go, let's go ahead and go get my hair cut, man. Go start this day. It's a beautiful day out here. Nice breeze, no clouds, clear blue skies, man. It's lovely. Let's see. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We here at the candy shop, man. I just got these bars, man. I'm about to go, probably not throw them on today, but within the next week or so, we'll have these bars all on, and pretty much the Harley almost complete. We did order our 23-inch wheel, so that should be done pretty soon, man. I can't wait. We got the bars now. We got the backrest. This thing should be riding that much better. But yeah, man, we're up here about to go get some breakfast and stuff, man. So come hang with us for a sec. What's up, y'all? We out here literally on PCH right now, enjoying this ride, man. I wish y'all could be here with me. Maybe I got some thunder behind me. We just waiting for the green light. I was letting the clutch go there. I don't know what happened. This will be a good time to go subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. I appreciate that. guys. So we are here at Jadora Le Fleur, getting her some flowers. She has no idea. She's been wanting these things for so long. She's seen them on Instagram, but it came out really nice. It looks really good, man. Let me pull it up real quick. Drop the flower off and everything. The homies out here. Road bikes and all that. Yes, sir. We are out here at the Canes. I'm actually cruising with my girl's brother. He's shooting his rap music video. But man, this thing is looking clean as heck, dog. We riding through the canyons, all the twirls and the twists. So fun. You can't get over it, man. Just out here chilling. I threw my sweater on. Starting to get a little chilly, but we out here with the bike. We got the camera guys. We got the big Jeep truck, man. So, you know, we're trying to get it done out here. I got some lint in my head, all type of stuff, dog. But we gonna head through the tunnel in a little bit and get it going, man. So let's try to figure it out. Back to Vegas a little bit early tonight because I think we have something we might be into, man. So stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna head back really quick, and then I gotta head up to Sacramento in the morning. So we're gonna see what we can get done, man. This car is at 50,000 miles, man. I wish it the best. Let me just put it that way. But you know, I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today, man. We did a lot of stuff, got some riding in, and it was fun. Got some good eats and all that, man. So thank you guys for tuning in with me. Thanks for hanging with me today. I appreciate you guys, and thank you to all my new supporters and new subscribers. Thanks for being a part of the channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate that. We're gonna get everything situated, man. It's fresh tomorrow. We got some new parts on the truck and everything. We should be dropping the truck off in a couple of days, so hopefully everything works out there. But I can't wait for you guys to see what's in store, man. It's gonna be a really fun one, so stay tuned for that.